Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 422 named maximum score after splitting a string. In this problem, we are given a string S of 0s and 1 and we have to return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substring, which is left substring and right substring. And the score after splitting a string is the number of zeros in the left substring added up to the number of ones in the right substring. Suppose in the first example, the string is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1. Now, if the left substring is 0 and the right substring is 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, then the score will be 1 plus 4 because in the left substring there is 1 zeros and in the right substring there is 4 ones. So it is 1 plus 4, which is 5. Now, if the left substring is 0, 1 and the right substring is 1, 1, 0, 1, then the score will be 1 plus 3, which is 4. Similarly, if the left substring is 0, 1, 1 and the right substring is 1, 0, 1, then the score will be 1 plus 2 because in the left substring there is only 1 zeros and in the right substring there is 2 ones. So it is 1 plus 2, which is 3. Now, if the left substring is 0, 1, 1, 1 and the right substring is 0, 1, then the score will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. And finally, if the left substring is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and the right substring is 1, then the score will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. So now, among all of these, the maximum is 5. So here in this problem, we have to return 5. Now the constant are the string length can be in between 2 to 500 and each of the characters consists of only 0 and 1. I hope you understood the constraint. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now to understand the algorithm, we have taken the first example. Here the array consists of, or the string consists of 5 elements, which is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1. Now we can divide the string here, 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 and here, and so on. So there are 5 possible division of this string. Now we will try to solve this algorithm by using the brute force approach. Here we will see each of the possibilities of the division and calculate the maximum answer. Now suppose at first we have to calculate the number of 1 presented in the string. So here the number of 1 presented in the string is 4. Now suppose if we divide the string here. So till now the number of 0 is 1. So if we divide the string here, then answer will be number of 1 plus number of 0, which is 4 plus 1, that means 5. So it is one possible scenarios. Now, if I divide the string here, here we can see that in the left part, the number of 1 is 1, right? Which is this. So we have to decrease the value of 1 by 1. So the 1 will be 3. Or we can say that in the right part, the number of 1 remaining is 3, which is this. But in the left part, the number of 0 is still 1. So the summation will be 3 plus 1, which is 4. So 4 will be the optimal answer if I divide the string here. Now, if I divide the string here, the number of 1 in the right part will be 2, but the number of 0 in the left part will be still 1. So the answer will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now, if I divide the string into this part, the number of 1 into the right part will be 1, and the number of 0 into the left part is still 1. So the answer will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now, if I divide the string here, the number of 1 into the left part will be 3. So the number of 1 into the right part will be 1. So it will not change. But the number of 0 into the left part will become 2. One is this, another is this. So we have to upgrade the value of 0, which is 2. So here the answer will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now we have to calculate the maximum among all of the value of this answer. So here the maximum is 5. That means if we divide the string into these positions, it will give us the maximum answer according to the problem statement. So that's it. This is the brute force approach to solve this problem. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function max score, which is a parameter string s. Now we are taking 3 variables, which is 0, 1, and answer. And initially, we have calculated the number of 1 presented in the string. After that, we will perform several partitions, and for each partitions, if currently our string element is 0, that means we have to upgrade the value of 0. Otherwise, we have to decrement the value of 1. Finally, we have to calculate the answer, which is the maximum of answer, and 0 plus 1. Finally, we have to return the answer. I hope you understood the code. Now let's move on to the time and space complexity analysis of this program. In this program, the time complexity is big O of n because we have to iterate each of the element of the given string, and the space complexity is big O of 1 because we are using only constant extra space to solve this problem. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.